Alright, Drake. What are we about to do? You don't know? We're about to tighten up the motor mount bolts. Make sure you're on there straight. No, dude, up and down straight. Like, you gotta hold it straight. Hold on, man. You gotta hold it up. Alright, buzz it. Good. Now, we're gonna come over to this side one. Got it held up. You gotta hold it up there. Straight. Buzz it. Buzz it again. Good. Now, last one. Going right here. Buzz it. Buzz it. Good. Alright. Now, we have to tighten up the drive gear. We got these 2 bolts and nuts we have to hit. So, nah, you can't lay back down, you doofus. All right, now what Drake's doing, he is setting the chain tension. So we still got a ways, bub. And if you want, hold your finger on the ratchet, just like right there. And that way it keeps the wrench on from falling off. Good job. Chain's almost set. Alright, starting to rise. That's good. We don't want it too tight. We don't want it too loose. Are you reaching that point where it's getting tight? Good job. Alright, Drake, what are we about to do? Yes, sir. Alright, let's show these gents, ladies and gents, on how we do this. Alright. Now, we get our bolt. We're holding it in place. Alright, we'll get that started. Here, I'll hold that. You get the nut started on there. We'll back it off a little bit so it's easier to get the nut on. Turn it around. Flat side always goes towards flat side. Straighten the nut. Make sure it's level. There we go. Alright. Let's get our other bolt in and button the exhaust up on it. Fist bump. Good job. There you go. Alright, little man, he's tightening up the exhaust. We got that to do, and then back here, I'm guessing this is for back pressure or stabilizer. I don't know. Maybe back pressure. Hold the ratchet part with your finger. There you go. Good job. Now we got everything. Well, Drake has everything else down there tightened. Now we can tighten these up here. So go on, buzz that bolt. Rip it. Yeah. Now get that one. Tromp it good. Tromp it good. All the way.